I've just finished my 7-day juice fast. When you're fasting, your body is going to fight you. So go at your own pace. Try not to rush. Already, your body's working extra hard to clean your system. Hi, and welcome to your beginner's yoga flow. This exercise is intended for people who are currently doing a fast. If you haven't seen my first video, which is the beginner's 10-minute yoga stretches, have a look. I'll put a link of it somewhere on this video so that you can start with that. That one is to help you condition your core and focusing on the arms as well. But in this one, we're focusing on building core strength again, as well as the leg strength. Even though the exercise is focused on one area, the good thing about yoga is that it usually works everything, so you're not missing out on anything. It will still be very gentle on you because you are doing a fast at the moment, hopefully. If you are new to the channel, I run a meditation and healing practice. I also provide juice and green juice for fasting to my clients. So this is something that I've tried on myself and I know that it works. Hopefully you will find this very useful for you as well. As I said, we're going to focus on the legs and the core as well as everything else. But the most important thing to remember is that when you're fasting, your body is going to fight you. So go at your own pace. Try not to rush, okay? You will see that in this video as well, I'll be taking my sweet time just so you can also do the same. So this is if you are also complete beginner with yoga, you've never done yoga before, or you have done yoga before and you're currently doing a fast, this is something that you can do. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I've enjoyed doing it. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I'm so excited for you to become a subscriber so that you and I can have so much fun. So click that like button. I will see you shortly.
Right, let us begin. Sit down in the middle of your mat and just relax your shoulders. Move your neck around just to release the tension in your spine. Find your core and take a moment here to thank yourself for choosing to do this practice here today. When you're ready, inhale and lift your arms up to the sky. Take a moment here, and then when you're ready, let it release. Now begin to prepare to get on all fours as we do our cat and dog pose. Breathing exercise is really good for detox, especially if you're doing a cleanse at the moment. So take a deep breath in, look up, chest out. Exhale, bring everything in, and this time you're going to lift your knees, extend those legs out and go on your plank. Take a moment here, and when you're ready, we're going to go down. Bend your knees if you want to, then push down. Lift your chest as high as you can here. If you can, look up, prepare to push up. You can go on your knees or go on a proper plank if that's what you want. Then let it release in child's pose. Just take a moment here. You can sink deeper in this if you want, but now let's prepare to get on our plank. Keep everything tight, shoulders back. Bend your knees when you're ready to go on your push up. You can go on a normal push up as well if you want. Push down and look up. Lift as high as you can. Make sure that your shoulders are away from your ears. Now let's go on to downward dog. Take a moment here, bend your knees in and out, side to side. Take a moment and really feel the stretch on the side of your body. Doesn't that just feel so great? Bring your head between your shoulders and push inwardly. When you're ready, go on your plank. Look forward, shoulders tight, bring your knees down and push down again and up. Stay there for a moment and just feel everything. Go down, let it relax, and then take another deep breath, look up, keep everything tight, stay here for a moment and then let it relax again. Go back on your plank. This time you're going to push all the way up to downward dog. If you are new to yoga, downward dog is a place for you to really check in, see if you're not overdoing it and just breathing in that energy back in. Now lift one leg up and look up. Make sure your body is tight. We're going to bring our foot all the way to the front. If you can't bring it all the way, Just put it down, lift it with your hand and push it to the front like this. Find your balance here. Center your feet firmly on the ground. Look up, bring your shoulders back, extend your arms forward. Take a couple of breaths here, and when you're ready, put your arms down right next to your leg. Find your balance here. Take a deep breath in, lift that arm up. As an option, you can look up. Try to make sure your hips are squared. Stay here for a couple of breaths, and then when you're ready, bring the arm down and forward. Make sure your shoulders are pushed back away from your ears. Take a couple of breaths here. Bring the arm down. Now let's twist into our warrior pose, making sure that back foot is facing outward, not forwards. When you're ready here, take a deep breath and bring your elbow to your knee, lifting the one arm up. Feel the stretch on the side of your body. Looking up, taking a couple of deep breaths here. Sink a little deeper into this stretch by bringing your arm all the way down and then extending that top arm all the way to the front. Look forward. Now bring it down and back up again. Now we're going to lift all the way up and then extend out that front leg. Extend your arms out. Now reach for your back leg, lifting one arm up, feeling the stretch on the side of your body, even on the inside of your body. Now go back. We're going to go to the other side. There is no right or wrong here. If you need to bend your knees, go ahead and do that. Take a moment here. When you're ready, get up. Extend those arms again. Sink into your lower warrior pose. Bring that front arm all the way down or on your knee. Extend that other arm forward and down. Take a moment here to sink into your lunge. Bring your arms forward and then down. Let's get ready here to stretch even deeper. Bring that knee down, extend the leg out. Take a moment here, and when you're ready, bend the forward knee in the middle of your hands and take a deep breath. And then when you're ready, release down, sinking deeper into this stretch. Extend your arms forward and just sit here. Move side to side. Continue releasing tension by folding your arms together, looking down or placing your head on your hands. Just continue swinging side to side. Now lift your body up, bend your back knee, reach your arm to the back foot and pull it towards you. Feel the stretch on your hamstrings. Do not overdo this. Take a moment here and feel into your body. When you're ready, unwind, sink down. And then what we're going to do, we're going to lift up, hovering the forward knee off of the ground, off of the mat, and sending it all the way back into our downward dog. Make sure that this foot is not touching the ground if you can. Strength is in the mind. Bring it forward. Shoulders back one more time, all the way out. One more time here. And then down. Take a moment here to just breathe in, gather that energy, and be grateful, and know that only you have the power to affect change in your life. Breathe in, look forward, go on your plank, and we go all the way down with our outward breath. Look up, lift up here if you can, as high as you can. Keep everything tight. Take a moment here. When you're ready, go down. We're going all the way down and into child's pose. This is your time again to take a moment here. If your wrist hurt, just move them about to release the tension there. Take a moment here. You deserve it. We're halfway through. We're about to move on to the other side. I am so happy that you've chosen this video today. Let's continue on to the other side. What you want to do here is just rock side to side in circular motions. See what feels right for you. There is no right or wrong. Just move your body. Enjoy these movements. Take your time and reach for what feels good. The softer and slower you are, the better. Get ready. Remember your form. Here we go. Breathe in, lift everything up, straighten those legs, and onto our downward dog. Find your balance and now lift the opposite leg up, and we'll bring it all the way to the front. If you can't lift it all the way to the front, pull it forward with your hand. There you go. Take a moment here, find your balance. Bring your hands inside, right in front of you there. Look forward and get ready to extend those arms forward. Remember, you can go as slow or as fast as you want. Sink into your warrior pose, making sure that the back foot is facing to the side, not to the front. Now bring your elbow to your knee, extend the top arm all the way up, stay there for a moment. Bring the arm all the way down. Top arm extends forward in front of you, look forward. Now bring it down and up. Look up. Bring it forward again, down, and now go back onto your warrior pose. Try to be as flowy as you can. Now extend the back arm all the way down your back leg, and then move to the front, extending the front arm all the way down in front of you. Look up as the top arm extends up. Stay there for a moment. Rise up, lift that front leg straight. Now you want to extend back, stretch your body up, way up, and now you want to go to the other side. Here we go. Feel how beautiful that stretch feels. Stay there, breathe, extend that arm forward and then bring it down. Now let's sink back into our deep lunge. Bend that back foot forward. Bring the knee down, extend that back leg, bend that forward knee right in between your hands, and stay there as we begin to get into a deep stretch here. Take a deep breath, and when you're ready, you're going to sink down, feeling that stretch even more the deeper you go. Take a moment here. If it's easier to fold your arms and put your head down, go ahead and do that. Rock side to side here. Feel that stretch on your glutes, on your thighs. And when you're ready, come up. Take a moment here, find your balance. Bend the back leg. Pull it towards you as deep as you can. Try not to strain yourself here. Stay here for a few breaths, and when you're ready, come back around. We're going to lift up onto our plank, lifting that front knee, letting it hover off of the ground. Now lift it back and all the way up onto our downward dog, and then back again. Let it just hang there. Move it back again, all the way up. And one more time here. Breathe. And now let it relax. Take a moment here. Feel how beautiful that stretch feels. Stay here a moment. And then look forward on your plank. When you're ready, prepare to go down. Exhaling down. Inhale as you lift up, pushing the shoulders away from your ears, and now point those toes, lift up onto a downward dog and stretch it in. Stay there for a moment. Let's prepare to go on our plank once again. Here we go. One more time. Look forward. Now lay your feet down and let it release down and upward. Inhale, lift up and hold steady. Point those toes and then go down on your downward dog. Take a moment here. Enjoy this. Go on your knees, child's pose. Thank yourself again for being here today. I can't say that enough. Yoga is the most beautiful thing you can ever do for your body. If it's easier to release your arms at the back of your body, go ahead and do that. There you go. Now take a gentle breath in and lift up. And exhale. Move your neck side to side. Feel how limber your body is at the moment. Now move to the middle of your mat. Sit comfortably as we get ready to end the session. Take a moment here, take a deep breath. Just feel the space. Feel the work that you've done here today and be proud of yourself. I am proud of you. Take a deep breath up and exhale. And you're done.
Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you. Mwah. Love and light. Bye.